Hi guys, I'm here with a quick review about this KASEDA portable foldable grill. It's a charcoal grill, but very convenient to use at home or for traveling, camping, whatsoever. You can see how small this is, small and pretty lightweight. And so here we can see already this nice, beautiful, high quality stainless steel grilling grate. Comes also with this carry pouch, handles for the side, tray for the embers, quick instructions, manual. And so here the side parts also really good quality, you can see. And here the two side panels even with some beautiful decoration. And so I'm here outside. I have everything in this very convenient carry bag. You can see how convenient this is. And so we have everything here. And so we can easily add one of the side panels to one of these sides. Then we slide in the other stand easily from the right side. So I've put this a little bit on the side so you can see how easy this is. After that we add the second side, turn it a little bit around. It's an absolute no-brainer. And now we can add the bottom, just slide it in from the side. Make sure that you add the side walls like that. So we have also the openings here for the handles. So we can just squeeze them in here. Second one on this side. Easiest is in the upright position. Then you can turn it down. And so you can easily lift around this grill. Very convenient. Has also a pretty secure stand. And after that we put the grilling grate here on top. And so this is the day after grilling. And you can see everything looks really good. There's a little bit of charcoal residue down here. But I think it's not too crazy. Grilling grate also look good. Everything is still in good condition, I would say, and it's also still stable. You can still lift it up, probably easy to clean or not too difficult. And the grilling itself was absolutely awesome. I think we had the best sausages in the shortest time on such a small grill ever, and they were super tasty. Was easy to grill, didn't have to do a lot. Just put the charcoal inside, ignite it with a jet torch, and then use the blower to accelerate the burning process. So everything has been working absolutely awesome, but still no recommendation. And that's also the reason why I'm wearing the gloves here to clean or actually dispose this grill, because it has some very, very sharp edges here almost everywhere, and I've already cut myself. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, it was bleeding quite a lot when I unboxed and assembled the grill. And I mean, it's almost everywhere. Also here on the side, on the stand, top here, almost everywhere, except from the grilling grates and the handle. But everything else has very, very sharp edges. Also here, the cutouts on the side. I can already feel that with the gloves. Yeah, it's absolutely incredible. That's the biggest problem here. So you have to be really, really careful. I'm not saying it's not working, but if you want to use that, you definitely have to use it with gloves. By the way, maybe also cleaning is not so easy. At least I don't have any clue what to do right now. When I pull this out, everything will go to the ground. Maybe it's just me, I don't know. I mean, I could leave it here, maybe inside, and then try to dump it here. Yeah, everything will fall apart. That's not an easy thing here. Worked somehow, but I could definitely feel these sharp edges here, and now I definitely have quite a mess. I mean, most of the burnt charcoal is here, but definitely not everything, because you can see there's quite some opening down here. When I remove this, you can see it opened quite in the middle. Probably the idea of this thing was that it's closed and just air coming in from the side. That would have been nice, but the metal is just not thick enough, so it widened up here, and so a lot of charcoal is going down to the ground, which is definitely not optimal. Definitely no full recommendation from my side. If you're still interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can do whatever you want, and I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this grill, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.